Hazrat Adi bin Hatim radiyallahu anhu states, I asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam about hunting with a staff. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, if the game dies getting hit with the sharp edge of the staff, eat it. But if it dies getting hit with the broad side of the staff, it is waqid, bitten to death. Do not eat it. I then asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam about the game caught by a dog. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, when you send your hound pronouncing Bismillah on it, eat it. If it has eaten some of it, do not eat it, the game, for in this case it has caught it for itself. I submitted, what if I find another dog with mine, not being aware which of them has caught the game? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam thereupon said, then you must not eat it, for you have mentioned Allah's name only on your dog, and you have not pronounced Allah's name on the other dog. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4951.